Hi guys, this is softmemeware here, and let's get into the product Gamerpay Pro. And inside this video I'll give you a detailed review of Gamerpay Pro, and also I will give you a detailed live walkthrough of this software. And my second main purpose is to show you my bonuses, kind of good and huge bonuses, like 8 bonuses will be given to you from my website totally free once you have purchased the product from my website. That is also my second purpose to making this video. My main purpose is to serve you, to give you the detailed overview of this tool. So let me give you a brief description about this tool. So Gamerpay Pro is all about affiliate marketing with game stuffs. Like you can do affiliate marketing with Amazon affiliates, like game products, like gaming console, like Xbox, PSP, something like that, and everything is done for you inside this tool. I will show you a little bit later. Let me show you the bonuses firstly. So this is my bonuses, and this is the timer, and this is strictly followed. And once you have just in case missed the timer, just missed out the bonuses, in case you are missing the bonuses after the timer runs out, you are purchasing the tool from my website, you have to go through this link. Click here, and from this link you can message me. Going through this link, it will redirect you to the Facebook page of me, and you can then check out the message box, and you can message me for the bonuses after purchasing it, obviously. So then you can there will be a higher chance to get the bonuses. So my first bonuses is ever working affiliate method. Basically this method is which method I am using, I will be taught to you. That this is an area about more than 15 minutes video, or maybe 21 minutes video, I don't know exactly, but I will clear you that how this method is going, and this will be going on like after 10 years also. And this is an evergreen method, and I am using this to earning, and I am pretty much successful inside this method, and I will show you the method inside that video. So my bonus 2 is animes. Animes is like the animated character videos, like 3D animation character videos and something like that. And my bonus 3 is, and also it is kind of related to gaming characters, like that's why I have given this stuff. So my bonus number 3 is also doodle character. It is like also gaming character, and it is related to gaming character. So 1.46 like 1.46k doodle character images that will be given to you totally free inside the bonus 3. My bonus 4 is 25 proven traffic method that will help you to, if you are make money online niche, trying this niche, then it will help you very much to enlighten inside this niche, make money online. And my bonus number 5 is Shoshi Video Gamer. So this is basically a video gaming puzzle. You can do YouTube, you can just take any YouTube gaming video or any other videos, and you can make it like puzzle, and people will try to just assemble the puzzle. And also social sharing feature will be given to inside that puzzle. Okay, so people will love to play with the stuff, and the engagement of the staff will be higher. And this is a pretty easy and pretty much good and effective method to grow your engagement and getting more traffic. Okay, so this is the work of this software, and this is also totally exclusive. So all of the bonuses are really exclusive. So if you try to Google the Optimizer Pro premium theme, it will be like $47 per month or year, I don't know exactly, or $67. Okay, so you can check it out, and this is totally given to you totally free from my website. And this is a premium theme, as you can see, and Optimizer Pro. So my bonus number 7 is mega bonus, like vendor bonus bundle. So every vendor who are releasing their product, like Gamer Pro is released by Dan Green, they give their bonuses to the affiliate marketers, and they will provide the bonuses to their customers. So as well like all of the affiliate marketers, I am also got the bonuses. Okay, so that will be given to you totally free from my website. And these are the bonuses, like iMarketer, also his previous launched product, Automation Empire, FiberPal, also Dan Green's previous launched product, and Instant Guru, also EduPay. And these are really high converting products, and this is also good product. Like EduPay is education platform like Udemy, and these are also valuable bonus, and most of the affiliates may be offering you these bonuses. Okay, Okay, so this is the mega bonus bundle that that the vendor gave to me to give you that bonuses. And my bonus number 8 is if you purchase any upsell, though the front end is very much effective, and if you want to get more and more result, you can purchase any upsell. And inside that upsell, if you purchase it from my website, you will be given more stuffs and like more softwares, like whatever you want, like 200 plus softwares, more high quality graphics, dual character images, and other stuffs. Okay, so if you purchase the upsell, then the bonus 8 will be activated. So I have cleared you that if the timer runs out, then you can click here, and let me show you one time. You can click here and go to my Facebook page, and from there you can message me, and I will be in touch you soon. So this button can redirect you to the product. So let me show you now the product. This is the dashboard of the tool, and as you can see, these are some previously done websites. Let me go through from the beginning option. Inside account settings, there is the main interesting thing. Believe me, this is the main thing inside this tool, and this will be the must thing inside this software. So this is a totally cloud-based software, and you can see that Amazon affiliate ID. If you have no Amazon affiliate ID, I will recommend you before using this tool, you should get the Amazon affiliate ID. You should try the Amazon affiliate, then you should purchase the tool. So after putting the Amazon affiliate ID, your ID will be pasted inside your every places inside your website. Okay, so you can also choose your password, and this is a bonus stuff. I don't want to go through all of the bonus stuffs, and this is the custom domain. So if you have previously any website and you want to integrate inside this software, that option is also given inside this tool. So, and this is the upgrade account, and let me start with the create new website. This is the magic button inside this tool. So let me put any random ID here. Also, or it is already put here, the big tube. Okay, so you can put here any site name. Okay, let me put here FIFA news. Okay, FIFA news. Site title, get latest FIFA news, and you can select your game. So previously they are giving you 25 most popular games, like Marvel, Spider-Man, like Fortnite, and Fortnite is one of the most powerful and most engaging game these days. And FIFA 21, let me choose here FIFA 21. And also they are giving you custom game option if you want to promote any other game, like if maybe they have not given the Minecraft. You can also integrate the custom game inside that. You can put the Minecraft option also, like let me put here for this example, let me choose the FIFA and add another game. You can put here, let me choose the FIFA, let me put here Final Fantasy 7, something like that, or maybe Fortnite. Okay, then click on create website. So it is taking a bit time to creating the website. As you can see, this is generating thing, and like within few seconds it will just give you a complete website. So this was my website, like Beuki demo, and this is my website, and this is just done within few minutes. So I have not chosen this game. This is my website. You can see FIFA news. So this is my website, and this is just done within few seconds. So this is really premium looking website. And if you see, you can see here the Cyberpunk review also, like all other stuffs. It is just getting the updated stuffs about FIFA. As you can see, every stuffs are dated here, and it is just gradually, by default it is just gradually or automatically grabbing the latest stuffs from the internet. I will also tell you from where it is getting the stuffs, and it is just grabbing the stuffs, and it will be planted here, or it will be showed here. Okay, so if you click these stuffs, okay, it will be your affiliate link, your Amazon affiliate link, and you can the customer can open it inside also new tab. Okay, so this is a demo website, or like a real example website of this tool, created by this tool, and I have give you the live demo. I have given you, sorry, sometimes I do so many grammatical mistakes. So inside FIFA news, let me show you. So the first option is create new post. If I click it on inside new tab, it will give you the opportunity to make your new stuffs like blog post or something like that. And also you can choose the images, the video option, the table option. All options are given here. And also you can just use it for like hard work. If you want to do hard work, then you can use it. If you don't want to do hard work, then you can use these steps, like your posts. By default it is giving you so many posts. As you can see, like inside the FIFA stuffs, it is giving instantly 688 or 89, sorry, it is giving you 699 posts inside FIFA, and it is also be gradually increasing every day by day. Okay, so it is a blog content sourcing. So this is the stuff from where it is getting the stuffs. Okay, from where it is taking the stuffs. So it is following so much popular YouTube websites. If you search here any FIFA website, sorry, FIFA not website, channels. So if you search here any FIFA channels, let me click on filter and let me choose the channel option here. So these are the popular FIFA channels, and you can see from EA Sports, from MGH, and you can click here and you can just put the link from here, and you can just click on new source and you can paste the channel link, and it will, once the video will be uploaded inside that channel, it will grab the auto translation stuff. By default it has integrated with auto translation stuff, and it will show you the title, also the content also. Okay, so as you can see, this is the title and this is the blog content. Okay, so this is the sourcing of this tool, and also it allows you the content spinning stuff. Like Google always prefer the new content, and it is allowing you creating new content by spinning. You can spin any content and you can create a new content also that will be grammatically correct. Okay, and I am doing so many grammatical mistakes. So this is the site pages. Let me show you the site pages option. So basically the site pages are these pages, like home, posts, review, categories. You can also add if you want the contact us pages or something like that, you can add that. And this is the advertisement page. Like you can, as you are already using this stuff, you are already doing Amazon affiliate marketing, and inside that sidebar you can put here AdSense also. So this stuff is given inside the ad giving section, or what was the option, advertisement option. Inside the advertisement option, it is given here. You can choose any new advertisement. Inside that advertisement section, you can put any clickbank banner code. You can put here image advert, like you can upload any random image of any product you want to promote, and you can paste the link. If people click on the image, then they will be redirected to via your link to that product. Okay, and also it is giving you, let me show you the last option, site layout setting. Sorry, so inside site layout setting, it is giving you the meta stuffs, like the metadata of website. You can integrate your social media handles. You can use your metadata to rank on Google, meta keyword also, and also your site title, your theme color, your background, header, footer, background, and something like that. And also if you want to use AdSense, you can paste the tracking code here, like Google code here, Google Analytics code. And this is a mailing feature. Like once people, okay, let me show you if it is showing me here. So this is the mailing stuff. If you are watching this video, you can see here that once you have started using this tool, people can subscribe to your website once people start getting the latest news about that game. So people will be also subscribing to your website. So once people start subscribing to your website, it allows you the campaign section. Like you don't have to worry about any other autoresponders or any paid version of any autoresponder. Okay, you can use the list option here, and also you can can create any sequence of campaigns to just giving the knowledge of the latest post, and sometime you can use also your affiliate links via just below of the post that this game is launching, and if you want to play inside this game inside ebox, you can click on this link and you can get the stuffs, something like that. Okay, so it also giving you campaign section, like if it is a dedicated if there is any dedicated email staff software like email auto responding software, that will be more than $17, and this tool is giving you all other stuffs like gaming website and something like that. If you search inside fiverr.com, then the biller will charging like $400 to $1,000 or maybe $1,500 to making this kind of website, this kind of premium looking website. Then this game tool is just charging you $17. Let me show you the other stuffs like the review and all other stuffs. So these are the ratings. This is totally given by me after using this tool, and inside overall it has got 9.8 out of 10, which is an outstanding performance, and I never consider market hits inside this overall section, and this tool is charging only $17. This is a pretty ridiculously cheap, maybe cheapest price for this kind of tool, and you can just keep it in mind that from 11th February the 11 AM EST is the time of launching this tool, the New York time, and the morning 11 the New York, and this is the launch ending date, and they are giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. These are the descriptions, and let me show you. If you want to know more about this tool, this is a demo video of which is near about 23 minutes. You can check out this also, and this is the owner, and this is my words totally given from my heart. You can check out this also. So this was the product overview, and I think I have given you the bonuses description in the beginning of the video, and I think I have cleared you the product. You can check out the sales funnel also. Sales funnel is pretty easy. You can check out this visiting this website from the description link, and I am signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video, so bye bye.